If you have burning pain or numbness in your feet, that could be a sign of peripheral neuropathy. And you've likely seen ads for different products or supplements claiming to cure it. One increasingly popular treatment for peripheral neuropathy is the use of whole body vibration plates. But do they really work? In this video, I'll explain what research says about vibration plates for peripheral neuropathy, plus how to use them to decrease nerve pain and improve balance. But first, what exactly is peripheral neuropathy? Neuropathy literally means a pathology of the nerves, or a disease of the nerves. So it can be caused by many different things. Peripheral neuropathy means neuropathy anywhere outside of the central nervous system, so not your brain or spinal cord. And then diabetic peripheral neuropathy, which is the type we'll discuss in this video, is caused by high blood sugar. And diabetic peripheral neuropathy typically affects the smaller nerves in your hands or feet first. So it can cause pain, burning, numbness or tingling, and oftentimes it can also cause balance problems because your feet can't feel the ground as well. Now, because diabetic peripheral neuropathy is caused by high blood sugar, you'd think that diet and exercise would be some of the most effective treatments for it. And they are. But sometimes people with diabetic neuropathy have so much pain that exercise can become difficult. And that's where the use of vibration plates came in, as a more tolerable form of exercise that also stimulates the small nerves in the bottom of your feet. A 2018 systematic review combined the results of 3 different randomized controlled trials studying vibration plates for peripheral neuropathy. And they found that vibration plates did appear to be helpful for improving blood sugar control, decreasing nerve pain, and improving balance. However, there were some limitations to the studies, namely that they were low quality, had small sample sizes, and had a high risk of bias. So the results were encouraging but not conclusive. Then later in 2019, another study was published that showed the effects of vibration plates on peripheral neuropathy, and I want to tell you the specifics of this study. They divided 26 subjects aged 50 to 70 years old who had painful diabetic neuropathy into 2 different groups. One group got usual medical care plus dietary advice plus activity modifications. The other group got the same thing plus 3 times per week vibration plate training for 6 weeks. And at the end of 6 weeks, they found that the vibration plate group had improved more in terms of pain, balance, and quality of life. So I want to show you the exact protocol that they used. Participants first completed a warm-up consisting of 5 to 10 minutes on a stationary bike, plus stretches for the hamstrings, calves, quadriceps, and trunk twists. Next, they stood on a vibration plate in bare feet with their knees bent about 20 degrees. The vibration plate settings were 12 hertz, or 12 vibrations per second, and the plate was moving at an amplitude of 5 millimeters, meaning the vertical displacement was 5 millimeters. They stood on a plate for 3 minutes, followed by 60 seconds rest, and repeated that 4 times for a total of 12 minutes on the vibration plate over the course of 15 minutes. When you add in the warm-up time, that's approximately 30 minutes per session. Now, when looking at the risk of bias in this study, you might wonder if the improvements in the vibration plate group were due to the specific effects of the vibration plate, or just the fact that the vibration plate group was getting 90 minutes more total physical activity per week than the control group. And in the end, does it really matter? If using a vibration plate encourages you to get more physical activity, then absolutely use one. And likewise, if you've tried diet and regular physical activity and haven't gotten the results that you want, then it might be worth giving a vibration plate a try. If you'd like to try out this vibration plate that I'm using, click the link down in the description below. And if you'd like to learn more exercises that you can do on a vibration plate besides just standing there, watch this video over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.